I want to show you something that genuinely stopped me in my tracks the first time I saw it work. I opened Claude and typed a single prompt. Explain quantum entanglement to me as if I am 12 years old, then give me 5 quiz questions to test whether I actually understood it. What came back was a clear, vivid explanation using an analogy involving a pair of magic dice. No equations, no jargon, just an idea that suddenly made sense. Followed by 5 quiz questions that actually tested whether I had grasped the concept rather than just memorized words. When I got one wrong, I asked Claude to explain why, and it did patiently from a different angle until the answer clicked. The whole session took about 12 minutes. I went from knowing essentially nothing about quantum entanglement to being able to explain the core concept clearly to someone else, with no textbook, no course, no tutor. Just a conversation. That is what this video is about. And by the end of it, you will have a complete toolkit for using AI as a personalized learning system that adapts to you, works at your pace, and is available every hour of every day. Every person learns differently. Some need analogies. Some need to understand the why before the what. Some need a broad overview first, then drill down. Some need a concrete example before the principle makes sense. Traditional education cannot accommodate all of those differences simultaneously. A teacher has 30 students, a textbook has one version, a course has one structure. You either fit the format or you struggle. AI changes this completely because the format is whatever you need it to be. The explanation adapts to you in real time. The pace is entirely yours. The depth is whatever you ask for. And if something does not make sense, you ask for it again differently. And the AI never sighs, never checks the clock, never makes you feel like you are falling behind. This is not a small improvement over existing learning tools. It is a fundamentally different kind of learning experience. The first technique is the layered explanation method, and it is the foundation of everything else in this video. You start any new topic with the simplest possible version. Ask Claude to explain something as if you are 12 years old, or as a complete beginner with no background in the area. Get that foundation, let it settle, then ask your first follow-up. Usually something like, now go one level deeper. What is the next thing I need to understand to really get this? Claude will identify the conceptual load-bearing points, the ideas you need firmly in place before the next layer makes sense, and walk you through them. Then you go deeper again. Each layer builds on the one before. You are not memorizing isolated facts. You are building a connected structure of understanding where each new piece has a logical place to attach. This is how durable learning works, and AI makes it available for any topic in any sequence that matches your specific gaps and goals. Do not just ask for more information during this process. Ask for different types of information. Ask for a real-world example you would actually encounter in daily life. Ask why something works the way it does. The underlying reason, not just the rule. Ask how it relates to something you already understand. Ask what would happen if it were not true. Ask what the most common misconception is and why it is wrong. Each of those questions adds a different dimension. The example makes it concrete. The why makes it logical. The relation makes it connected. The counterfactual makes it structural. Together, they build understanding that is robust and genuinely yours. The kind you can apply in new situations rather than just recite when prompted. The second technique is using AI to quiz you, and this is where learning goes from passive to active, which is when it actually sticks. There is a well-established principle in learning research called retrieval practice. The act of trying to recall something strengthens the memory of it far more than rereading does. Every time you successfully pull a piece of information from your memory, the pathway for that information gets stronger. Every time you fail and then see the correct answer, the correction gets encoded more deeply than if you had simply read the answer without being tested. AI makes retrieval practice frictionless for any topic. Once you feel you have a basic understanding of something, ask Claude for 5 quiz questions on what you just covered. A mix of multiple choice and short answer at medium difficulty. Answer them as if it is a real test. Ask Claude to mark your answers and explain any mistakes. The explanation of why a wrong answer was wrong is often more valuable than the correct answer itself, because it shows you exactly where your understanding broke down. Ask for targeted difficulty adjustments as you go. If the questions are too easy, ask for harder ones that test real understanding rather than surface recall. If they are too hard, step back and ask Claude to identify the gap in your foundation before moving on. If you want to test application, ask for a scenario-based question where you have to apply the concept to a new situation. If you want to test depth, ask for a question that requires you to explain the concept in your own words as if teaching it to someone else. That last one is particularly valuable because explaining something clearly is the ultimate test of whether you actually understand it or just think you do. The third technique is learning from your mistakes, and it applies not just to quiz answers, but to any situation where you produce something that does not work. Writing that is not landing, code that throws an error, a plan with a flaw in the logic. Paste in what went wrong, describe what you were trying to achieve, and ask what went wrong and why. Ask what the correct version would look like and what the key difference is. Ask what underlying principle you are missing that caused the mistake. Ask for a similar problem so you can try again and check whether you have genuinely fixed the gap. This turns every failure into a targeted learning session. You are not just getting the right answer. You are understanding the structure of the mistake well enough to avoid it next time. The fourth technique is building personalized study plans, and this is the one that turns individual learning sessions into a coherent progression. Tell Claude what you want to learn, how much time you can realistically give each day, and what you want to be able to do by a specific point. Ask for a day-by-day plan with specific topics for each session and clear milestones for each week. What comes back is a structured, sequenced plan built around your specific constraints and goals. Not a generic curriculum designed for the average student, and you can keep refining it. If a section is harder than expected, ask Claude to adjust the remaining plan to give you more time before moving on. If you miss a few days, ask it to rebuild the schedule around your new reality. The plan adapts as your actual progress becomes clear. One honest limitation worth naming. AI is extraordinary for conceptual understanding, explanation, practice, and planning. It is not a substitute for doing the actual thing. If you are learning to write, you have to write. If you are learning to code, you have to build real projects. If you are learning a language, you have to speak it with real people. AI accelerates your understanding of concepts and principles enormously. But the gap between understanding something and being able to do it is closed only by practice and real-world application. Use AI to make your practice more informed, not as a replacement for the practice itself. The learning toolkit you now have, layered explanations, active quizzing, mistake analysis, and personalized study planning, applies to any subject, any skill level, and any goal. The next video moves from learning in general to a specific and exciting application, using AI to build things, even if you have never written a line of code in your life. Subscribe so you do not miss it, and I will see you there.